Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a quick video replacing the start run capacitor on my central air system. I wanted to do this last year at the end of the summer but never got around to it. This system is definitely getting up there in age. It is the original system from the house from 2004, and I decided, well, I might as well go ahead and change the start run capacitor, and I picked this one up from eBay last year. I think it was Amazon, I don't remember. But this is the part number we're going to replace, and it's a good thing I'm going to change it because this typically is one of the main failure points besides your coils or your compressor. It's just good to do, and having that this old capacitor has got to be well over 15 years old at this point. It's actually it's more closer to 20, so we best change it up before it fails. So here we go. Before I do this, just make sure that either your main breaker is off or you pull the breaker inside here and you flip it upside down so that the contacts are not connected to the outside system here. And I did confirm with the multimeter here that all these terminals here are dead. There's no voltage on there whatsoever. Alright guys, swapping the wires is pretty straightforward. They're actually labeled, and as long as I have the right part, you should be in good shape. Just double check that your spade connectors here are nice and tight and clean, which they are. I did have to fix the fan one there. They are aging, but it looks like it's still going to be okay. And I got the same size physical capacitor here, and like I said, this thing has got to be close to 20 years old, and that is the old part number here. Actually, let's do it this way so you guys don't have to turn your head. That is the part we're replacing, and thankfully I think this is going to work out. Got rid of all the mouse nests and crap that was in here, and hopefully we should not have any problems going forward.